Are you dreading to look at your account to see how much you've lost this year or even just this week? Little by little, you're probably imagining your retirement dream crashing and having to work even longer. We always fear the unknown. We're always scared of what we don't know. Our imaginations run wild with all the horrors that could happen. That fear applies to almost everything, if not all, even our financial decisions. To see our money disappear is terrifying. Our guts tell us to run, but shouldn't we stop and think about why we feel that way? Could it be because we don't understand how our gains suddenly turned into a loss? Is it our lack of understanding that's making us run for the next best thing? Wouldn't we be more confident and relaxed if we knew that the situation was temporary and that it was caused by an irrational reaction and that it will correct itself out? Why not take the time to learn what we own and figure out if running away is the right choice? If we own the greatest company of the world and we're confident that we bought it at a great price, would we easily run away from that investment if we're confident that the company has an even brighter future? Learn how to look for great companies to invest in by watching this next video.